Hello everyone, what's up? Hope you all are good. So, welcome to the unbiased review of Layate Reviews website. In today's video, I'm going to analyze Layate reviews and I'll also explain Layate is a scam or legit. So, watch the video till end, guys, and let's get started. This is the homepage of this website, and you'll find the exclusive collection of some products like bookcases, decks, gifts for kids and babies, sweaters, jeans, gift items, etc. So let's take a look at the menu option. If you click this option, you will get the various product categories like gifts for kids, home gifts, jeans, sweaters. So you can click and view the product category. The extensive collection is really very beautiful. You'll get unique products and you can also gift these products to your loved ones. The prices are affordable, guys, and the quality is top notch. So let's take a look at the About Us section. So the company is dealing with various home entertainment accessories, storage, heating and cleaning, garden furniture, etc. You can see the information of About Us here. And if you have any questions, you can get in touch with the company at layate.sale@outlook.com. Now let's take a look at the shipping policy. The standard duration of shipping policy is 3 to 5 days, and standard delivery to UK mainland addresses for heavy items will be 7 to 10 days. You can read the entire information related to shipping policy here, and the cost is free to all UK mainland addresses, and next day delivery is $2.99. So I think this is an amazing deal that you can get. Now let's take a look at refund policy. The company received the returned product within 30 days following the date of dispatch of the product to you, and you need to read the entire norms of the company in case of return and refund. So you can read this information for your convenience and knowledge. Let's take a look at privacy policy. Privacy policy shows legitimacy of the website. So all customers must read this information before making any purchase. Now let's take a look at this section, My Account, Order History. So you can create your account to view the order history, and here is a gift vouchers option. You can purchase a gift certificate. You need to enter the entire details and continue. So this website is legit because the contact us information is available on the website. You can see the contact email, phone number and official address is also available on the website, which shows legitimacy of a website. This is not a scam, guys. You can get in touch with the customer representatives as well via this phone number and email ID. And guys, in case you had a bad experience with this company, then you can share your experience in the comment box, because your comments will give benefit to other customers while doing online shopping and reviewing a website. My motive is to provide the information of this website and various scam alerts. So don't dislike the video. Get to know about the important things that you need to consider while making any online purchase, like you need to check for a website privacy policy, company's contact page and information, and you need to pay close attention to the website URL, and always check the website reviews because it will help you to get to know about the legitimacy of the website. But yes, I'm not able to see the website reviews on this website, so you can check the reviews on other platforms as well for your convenience. So share your good and bad experiences with the company in your comments, and I'll get back to you with more scam alerts and legitimate websites. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.